Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to be talking about user segments and content page personalization. So let's go ahead and get started. So first and foremost, a user segment is a way in Liferay that we're able to group users based upon a specific criteria so that we can display relevant content to that group of users. So this is very much intended to be able to cater content to specific groups of users, and then we get to decide what those user groups are. Again, these are known as user segments. So we can create these user segments by grouping our users based upon organizations, as well as the data that we collect on those users. User segments can also be used in order to target content to those user segments. We can also collect data from those targeted users or targeted segments by using Analytics Cloud. Now, how do we create these user segments in the first place? In order to create these user segments, we're going to have a segment editor within our site administration panel. So we'll use this segment editor in order to create our user segments. We'll then have a number of different options as to which users are going to be included into which user segment. So once we have our user segments created, the next thing again that we can do is cater content towards those users. So what we can do is create content pages and have those content pages display different content based upon which user segment is viewing that specific page. In other words, we can create different versions of a content page for our different user segments. These are known as experiences. We can manage different experiences from a content page by either changing the name or selected segment, deleting the experience, or changing the priority of the experience. So with all those things in mind, feel free to fill out the blanks, pause the video, and once you're ready, go ahead and hit play. Some highlights here. Users grouped together based on various criteria are called user segments. The segment editor is used to create segments in a site, and content page personalization allows for different versions of a content page to be created for different user segments. So that wraps it up for this video, and I will see you in the next video.